There's a very low level of general knowledge about what solar can do, about what the costs of solar are, about where it's applicable, what the expensive parts are, what the difficult parts are. A lot of what we do here is education. The main reason that we have Glenergy in Petawawa is that for me to accomplish what I need to do, I need people around me. I could invest in companies, but I can't have the impact that I can have with a team of people who can make it so. This is not a hobby, this is a mission. And the mission is to help everybody not burn things for cooking or for heat or for light, to use the resources we have in a long-term sustainable way. Glenergy is my vehicle for doing that.